You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. If you want to learn more confusing names, make sure to stay tuned. We got many more coming up at the end of the video. This is a name of Indian origin, pronounced in India as Smruti. Smru. I know it can be a little bit difficult to pronounce, but Smruti. Now, the English pronunciation would be Smruti. How to pronounce Smruti or Smruti. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.